Hi, I'm Shannon with WTI and I am a pet owner. As a pet owner, we're very aware that sometimes our little fur babies do have accidents inside the house. And sometimes it's on our furniture or on our carpet, whatever it is. And this product from Angry Orange has just been a lifesaver. It's really helped me for when this does happen and my baby girl has an accident. I spray it generously on the carpet and let it sit for a little while, press it down, and boom, you can already see that the orange, and this is like probably an older accident that I have overlooked, but it's already coming out. It doesn't take long, it's super effective, and it has like this really small hint of like citrusy smell, which I really appreciate and like because it takes away from the pee odor. And this is for pee, poop, and puke. I've only had to use it for when she has little accidents, thankfully. But I love that it has two different settings, you know, the jet and the spray. And it also came with this other one, which is for cats, which I think is so awesome that they have two separate ones for animals that are different, because you know the things that come out of them is different as well, and how to clean it up is different. It's super easy to put together, has that little hole and then the spray nozzle, and you just put it in and you're good to go. So if you're a pet owner as well and you're just looking for something that is going to be easy to use and also effective on saving your carpet, your rug, your couch, whatever it is, then this is for you. I know it's helped me out a bunch, but that's just my point of view.